New luxury brand women belts, thin golden buckle PU leather strap for dress. True. New luxury brand women belts, thin golden buckle PU leather strap for dress. Trousers casual black. Ladies designer waistband. Overview. This is a new luxury brand women belts, thin golden buckle PU leather strap for dress. Trousers casual black. Ladies designer waistband. It is made of high-quality PU leather and has a gold tone buckle. The belt is 1.2 inches wide and 30 inches long, with a 2.5-inch hole spacing. It is perfect for dresses, skirts, trousers, and other casual wear. Features: made of high-quality PU leather, gold tone buckle, 1.2 inches wide and 30 inches long, 2.5-inch hole spacing. Perfect for dresses, skirts, trousers, and other casual wear. Benefits: this belt will add a touch of luxury to your outfit. It is made of high-quality materials that will last for years. The gold tone buckle is stylish and elegant. The belt is adjustable to fit your waist perfectly. Pricing: this belt is available for $29.99. Where to buy? This belt is available for purchase on Amazon.com. Conclusion: this is a great belt for women who want to add a touch of luxury to their outfit. It is made of high-quality materials and has a stylish design. The belt is also adjustable to fit your waist perfectly.